I don't know about you, but there are areas in my house that drive me nuts, and this room is one of them. This wall has always felt a little empty to me, and I can't seem to find the shelves that fit this space. I have pictures and items that I've picked up while traveling, but I have the perfect solution, and I'm so excited to share this design idea with you. It all starts with finding the right space you want for these shelves. For me, I selected this wall. No art seemed to match this room. And at the end of the day, I really wanted an opportunity to showcase my favorite photos and all my favorite things. I measured out the space on the wall and cut these boards to the perfect length of the wall. That was a must for me because we never found shelves that fit this space. Shelving brackets are an easy way to hold shelves, but I really love the idea of using these pipes coupled with 1x1 strips gives these shelves support. It gives an industrial chic look that both my husband and I could compromise on. Then I took into consideration all the items I planned to put on the wall. I wanted to make sure they were going to fit and have a little bit of space on top. This way the color I'm adding comes through and it doesn't look wedged in there. Next, I really wanted this to be a statement in the room. This was going to be my work of art, so I knew it needed color. And I wanted this whole project to be easy. So when I shopped for paint, I took into consideration the base color paint, which is Benjamin Moore's Baby's Breath. From there, I went to the sample cards and literally went down the line and grabbed these colors. I felt it stayed within the color family. It would really make this shelf concept look like part of the room. I'm a big fan of the ombre wall, and this concept was a modern twist. When paired with these pipes to hold the shelves, the room shelving truly became a focal point in the room. If your room has artwork or other photos and this color concept doesn't seem to fit your space, then consider painting just the shelves. Painted shelves can be a special addition to the room, and they can add that unexpected pop of color in a neutral space. Everything is coming together as planned. My last bit of advice is how to arrange items on your shelves. Make sure that the objects vary in height for a larger visual impact. Whether you choose to display a tall, unique piece of art or a sleek, contemporary vase, add something that draws your eye upward. With unique hardware, combination of colors, and a personal touch, you too can create a masterpiece that you and your family can enjoy. For more helpful tips and advice, visit a neighborhood Ace or visit us online at acehardware.com.